In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload and manage layers in Photopea, an incredibly versatile free online photo editor that's often compared to Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just starting with photo editing, understanding how to effectively use layers is essential. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to head over to Photopea. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Photopea, or you can directly type Photopea's URL into the address bar. This will bring you to the main interface, which might look a little overwhelming with its myriad of options. Don't worry though, we're going to walk through each step to make everything clear and simple. Now let's get started by uploading your main image into Photopea. Think of this as your canvas, the base layer upon which you'll be building your entire project. At the top of the screen, you'll find the File option nestled neatly among other menu options. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option Open. This will allow you to browse through your computer or device to select the image you want to work on. Once you've chosen the image, hit Open, and voila! Your first layer, the main image, appears ready for editing on your screen. Adding more images as layers is where Photopea really shines. This is especially useful if you want to blend images together, create collages, or work on detailed projects that require multiple elements. To upload an additional image as a new layer, return to the File menu at the top. This time, click on Open in Place. This function allows you to seamlessly upload another image, and it will automatically appear as a new layer on top of your existing one. Select the image you wish to add, confirm your choice, and watch as it slips perfectly into place as a new layer. It's essential to remember that each image you add using the Open in Place function will automatically be added as a new layer, preserving your ability to edit each element independently. This offers incredible flexibility, allowing for extensive manipulation of each layer without affecting others, which is the key component for producing an impressive, polished product. And just like that, you're done. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering Photopea's layering function. Layers can be moved, resized, and adjusted for opacity, giving you the creative freedom to explore all sorts of design opportunities. Now all that's left to do is practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with these tools and options. Each attempt will refine your skills and bring you closer to becoming a proficient photo editor. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy editing!